Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about copy command option, which is validation mode. One request to viewer: if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Now let's get started. Actually, in Snowflake, validation mode option in copy command is used to validate the data file without actually loading them into table. Here is the different setting for validation mode. Return n row, which validate the data and return up to n row for a result. Return error, which validate the data and return any error found. And return all error, which validate the data and return all error which found in data file. So let us understand by example. Let us assume we have a table called order with flowing structure. Okay, so let's execute and create this table. Here, table created. Let's validate. Indeed, this table have null records because recently created. Now, list all file that available in this internal stage. We already discussed about a stage in previous video. You can watch from a Snowflake playlist in my channel. Let's execute and see the data file available in this stage. Actually, there is two data file. One contain error and other does not contain any error. So let's see data file here. Here we actually put in profit column intentionally text value, and we defined here while creating table we defined here profit, which is integer data type. So this file gives error while loading data. So let's understand this. Here we want to copy data from this file order dataset.csv, which is this file, and we put here validation mode equal to return error. So it's return up to 2 error because only we put intentionally 2 error in this data file. Okay, to understand, so let's execute. Here 60 and 50 does not recognize because this is text value, and we put here this is text value, and we put here profit equal to integer data type. Okay, so it's returned to records and file data order data set. Okay, if more than one file, a Snowflake here list in this column that file. Okay, and we also types of error, conversion types of error. Okay, and which column where this error, profit column, and here profit column, and third, which is third column, we also list here. You can check from, and row start line, second line, third line, or first and second, because here put here skip header equal to 1 for file format. Okay, so you can validate data by using validation mode and return error. You can also see the records which gives error. Okay, now we can also use return all error. So let's execute. Here only we have 2 errors, so it's return only 2 error. You can use here return all error in this command. Okay, let's see any data loaded by this. We apply here validation mode. Actually this does not load any data. Okay, if we apply validation mode. Now let's see validation mode, which is written 5 row. Here we apply order dataset underscore 1, which is does not contain any error, and we apply here copy command, and this is fully qualify table name, and this is stage, and this is file format, which is CSV, field delimiter comma, and skip header equal to 1, and we want to load this file and we validate here first. So let's execute. You can see here 5 record because we put here 5, and we so that we return here 5 records only, and we can check the data available in this file. Use here 10, then 10 records return here. Okay, and now we can see here the data which available in this file and validate. Now if you look this data file fine, then comment this and execute again, and 1500 row pass and 1500 row loaded. Here 3 error limit because we put here on error option and skip file 3. If this file contain up to 3 error, then it's loaded successfully, otherwise skip this file. Okay, so let's see any data loaded or not. Here 15 100 data loaded successfully. So that's how we can use validation mode with copy command option. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.